Hashtag Fun News Friday. So here's what's poppin'. A Broncos player says he's getting fined for passing a little more than the football. I'll introduce you to Scott the Lobster and his new home. And it's not hump day, it's donut day. It's time for your dash cam Ds. Okay, so a lineman for the Broncos, Von Miller, he says his team has a no flatulence in meetings rule. So that means he can't fart while he's in a meeting or he will get fined. They will ask him to cut that check. Von told a reporter that he keeps trying to tell them it's not healthy to just sit there and hold it in. He says, you know what, he just does it a little more than the average person. The reporter says it has something to do with his diet, but my question is, who's that close to him to find out that it's him that's passing gas, and who's asking him to cut the check? All right, so a giant lobster is now back home in the Atlantic Ocean after the employees at a restaurant set him free. They caught this 18-pound lobster and they say he's a happy animal and deserves to be back home in the ocean instead of being someone's dinner. Well, I say he's lucky I wasn't the chef, because it would have been all bad. And finally, head to your local Holy Moly Donut shop, because today is Donut Day and you can get a free donut just about anywhere. It started back in 1938. The Salvation Army in Chicago started a National Donut Day. So get out there and get you a free donut. What's your favorite? Mine is Shipley's. That's it for this Fun News Friday edition of Dash Cam Ds. Leave your happy thoughts in the comments below. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, at WLB Miller TV, at Dash Cam Ds. And of course, as always, hashtag Fox 26 for life. Peace.